Yes, beta, good morning. I talked about three main parts of a neuron. Come on, name them quickly. 11th bio students, three parts of a neuron. So many times I discussed with you. Please name the three parts. Cyton.
Cyton, dendron, and axon.
Dendron and axon.
Yes, you should speak on cyton, dendrons, and axons. We also talked about two types of neurons. Okay, not on the basis of number of dendrites, on the basis of presence and absence of myelin sheath. What were the kinds?
Myelinated and non-myelinated.
And non-myelinated.
Myelinated are made up of special cells. This myelin is made up of cells called yes, they're called Schwann cells. Very good. Very good. Okay, we talked about unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar neurons. One axon and one dendron is which neuron?
Bipolar.
Bipolar.
Bipolar. Okay. Let me admit that name. One axon or two or more dendrons?
Multipolar.
Multipolar.
Okay, no dendrons, only one axon.
Unipolar.
Unipolar.
Good. We've already done myelinated, non-myelinated axons. These are the cells I was asking you, Schwann cells. Okay. And then we talked about white matter. Remember? Because myelin is white. So that is where this is white matter. And which kind of a matter will you find in non-myelinated? If you remember the name?
Gray matter.
Yes.
Gray matter.
Very good. Because myelin is not present. Remember, Schwann cells are present, but they do not combine to form a sheath. So myelin sheath is not present. So obviously, without myelin sheath, we are going to call it as gray matter. White matter is not there. We are moving on to something very difficult today. Generation and conduction of nerve impulses. It's a difficult topic. So let me know where you feel you're not understood. I can take it up again with you. Chalo, let's first. First thing to remember that the impulse transmission is always electrochemical. When I say word electrochemical, it means electrical impulse travels with the help of certain chemicals. So, electrochemical word, if you break this word, so if impulse will get transmitted, it will transmit electrochemical method, means electric impulse is going to travel and we are going to have the role of certain chemicals also. There are three steps of impulse transmission. First is to maintain resting membrane potential. All these words you will understand very soon. First, you have to maintain the resting membrane potential. That means the membrane at rest. Then action potential is generated. And after action potential is generated, it has to be transported or transferred. This is called propagation. So first is the membrane potential at resting condition has to be maintained, because once that potential is maintained, only then an action potential will be generated. And once an action potential is generated, then it will be propagated, means it will travel or it will be transported. Children, first is maintaining of which potential? Come on, membrane potential at what position? What is this membrane potential called in the original? What do we need to have?
Resting membrane potential.
Yes. Because once your membrane potential is at resting stage, only then action potential will be generated. Once action potential is generated, it will be passed on further. I'll be taking up one by step again with you. First is maintaining of resting membrane potential. I'll give you 2 minutes. Just read, see the picture. I've already told you it's a little confusing, but never mind, we'll try. Please see the diagram on your screens and the notes. You can see a lot of ions, positive, negative. Just see this, I'll explain it to you very quickly. Should we start now? Maintenance of which membrane potential, beta?
Resting membrane potential.
Yes. Before I start explaining, remember that these neurons are actually excitable. That neurons are excitable because the membranes of the neurons generally occur in a polarized state. Now, let me explain what do I mean by this sentence. Okay. See, beta. First of all, understand the word resting. Okay. When a neuron is not conducting any impulse, we say that the neuron is resting. Clear? When we say the resting phase of a neuron, it means that the neuron is not conducting any impulse. So this is called which stage of a neuron? Resting phase. What is
Resting.
this stage called? Yes, beta.
Resting phase.
Resting.
So when it is in the resting phase, this neuron is the resting phase, then its membrane is more permeable to potassium ions and almost impermeable to sodium ions. Before I start explaining, let us understand this. When I say resting potential, I mean the neuron is at a resting stage, number one. When we say the neuron is at a resting stage, it means it is not conducting any impulse. No impulse is being transmitted to the neuron. In this condition, जब वो rest कर रहे हैं बेटा, it is permeable to potassium ions, but impermeable to sodium ions. Means sodium ions can easily go inside, but potassium ions will not be able to enter. Is it okay for all of you? Sodium ions can enter. Which ions cannot enter in the resting stage?
Potassium ion.
Yes, beta. We are talking about which stage? Resting stage or active stage?
Resting.
Resting stage. What do you mean when you say a neuron is at a resting stage?
It is not conducting impulse.
Very, very good. First, let us talk about ions. At such a stage, this neuron membrane, the axonal membrane, basically, it is permeable to which ions? Sodium. Remember, if you can see on the screen also, what is able to enter from both the sides? Which ions are entering, beta? Sodium ions are entering. Which ions are entering?
Sodium ion.
Yes. There are two, very good, beta. There are two things which cannot enter. The membrane becomes impermeable at that stage. One is potassium ions, and second is it is impermeable to proteins. Actually, they are negatively charged proteins. So proteins also cannot enter. What two things cannot enter? Potassium ions and proteins. P for potassium, P for proteins. Two things cannot enter, and what can enter is sodium. Okay. So we are talking about a resting stage. When I say resting stage, I mean a neuron is not conducting any impulse. In such a stage, what can enter? Tell me, bachas, you can see on the screen also. Which ions are entering, sodium or potassium? Almost a lot of permeable to sodium ions, but almost impermeable to potassium ions and protein ions. Let's do this now. It is also impermeable to negatively charged proteins in the exoplasm. Okay, this liquid around it is exoplasm. This is the outside medium. See beta over here. The size of potassium ions is 400. Okay, let me talk about this later. First, let me explain this to you. Acha, tell me this. What is entering? Why is this arrow put inside with sodium? What does this mean? Why have you put arrow on both the sides in entering into? Which ion is this?
Sodium.
Beta. Yes, beta. Sodium
Sodium.
ions are entering. And which two things cannot enter? Bolo, bache. So many times I've explained. Sodium ions can enter. And proteins. PP. Yes. Anything which starts with P, you can simply remember, will not enter the neuron. First is potassium ions, and very rare. I mean, it's almost impermeable, hardly a two, one or two. And another thing which cannot enter is proteins, beta. They are also negatively charged. Okay. Now let's talk about this. Again, the same picture. What is happening now? Sodium is entering, but potassium is not entering. and proteins are also not able to enter. So the amount of potassium ions will become high outside this, and the amount of sodium ions will become low. Why sodium ions are becoming low in the outer medium? Because they are entering inside. And what is not able to enter, obviously the concentration or the amount will increase. Which two things will increase outside? Potassium ions and
Proteins.
proteins. Potassium ions are positively charged and proteins are negatively charged. What has entered inside is sodium ions, which are positively charged. Two things are already out, proteins, which are negatively charged, and potassium ions, which are also negatively charged. If you see, the concentration of sodium ions will increase inside. Outside, the concentration of proteins is higher, concentration of potassium ions is higher, but concentration of sodium is very low. So this fluid which is outside the axon, okay, let's start with this. Okay, let me do this. You know what is a concentration gradient? What is a concentration gradient? Tell me.
Difference in the concentration.
Yes, beta, difference in the concentration. Now we are going to understand how a concentration gradient is being maintained, beta. What is the charge on proteins? What is the charge on proteins?
Negative.
Negative. Let me show you the axon and explain it to you. Maybe you'll be able to understand in a better way. Just one second. Yes. Can you see the axon? All of you? Can you see axon on your screens?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is your axon. Now try to understand what I'm saying. Okay, look here and understand. I'm starting with a stage when the neuron is in what phase? Resting phase. Okay, so the membrane of this axon, which we call as axonal membrane. Okay, this myelin sheath membrane, also known as axonal membrane. What is it called? It is more permeable to which ions I told you? More permeable to?
Sodium ions.
Sodium ion.
Sodium ions.
बेटा we are talking about the axonal membrane ना. Okay, आप membrane नहीं आप थोड़ा सा confuse हो रहे हैं. Exoplasm inside की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग ना. Exoplasm inside, do you चलो I'm explaining from here. अंदर का बाद में करते हैं, पहले बाहर का करेंगे. We are talking about which part of a neuron? Axon. I'm starting from where?
Axon.
Yes. So the axonal membrane. First, I'll talk about axonal membrane. Okay? ये इसका उल्टा रहता है बेटा, बाहर वाले का. उल्टा रहेगा, that means it is more permeable to which ions? Potassium ions. Very good. And
Potassium.
very good. And impermeable to which ions?
Sodium.
Yes. And it will also be impermeable to the negatively charged.
And
What? Negatively charged?
proteins.
Okay.
Proteins.
Fine beta. अब अंदर जो लिक्विड भरा है एक्सॉन के, दैट इज नोन एज एक्सोप्लाज्म. व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
Exoplasm.
ध्यान से सुनो. एक्सोप्लाज्म में वी विल हैव हाई कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ, कौन सी दो चीजें अंदर चली गई थी? प्रोटीन्स एंड
Potassium ions.
yes, proteins and potassium ions, and low concentration of
Sodium ions.
sodium ions. This is in exoplasm. ये axon के अंदर जो liquid है, what is that called as?
Exoplasm.
Okay. इसके बाहर also we have a fluid. Okay. This fluid outside the axon, now I'm talking about fluid outside the axon. इसमें उल्टा होगा. This will have low concentration of positive ions and a high concentration of sodium ions. तो concentration gradient बनेगा नहीं बनेगा? Tell me, will we have concentration gradient or not? Children, if you will not speak out, I will not even know what you're understanding, what you're not understanding. I'm starting again. I'm talking about a neuron in a resting phase. Please, everybody speak out. What do you mean by neuron in resting phase? I'm starting from the beginning again. Bolo bache. What do you mean by neuron in
It is
resting
not
phase?
conducting impulse.
It is not conducting impulse.
Okay, fine. So I'm going to start with this part of the neuron first. This long yellow one. What is it called?
Axon.
Axon. This membrane, this yellow wali line jo hai membrane, this membrane of axon is called axonal membrane. AXONAL. What is this membrane called?
Axonal membrane.
Axonal membrane.
And axon के अंदर जो liquid भरा है, that is called?
Exoplasm.
Yes. What is it called? Only one child speaking. What is this liquid called?
Exoplasm.
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 Now I'm going to explain. I'm talking about axon. The membrane of axon is called
Axonal membrane.
Axonal membrane.
yes.
Axonal
And the fluid
membrane.
which is filled inside the axon is called
Exoplasm.
Exoplasm.
yes बेटा. आप इसको ऐसे ही याद कर सकते हो कि एक्सॉन के अंदर पी स्क्वायर रहता है. सिंपल वर्ड्स टू रिमेम्बर. एक्सॉन के अंदर पी स्क्वायर रहता है. दैट मीन्स पोटेशियम एंड प्रोटीन्स. व्हाट आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आर अलाउड इनसाइड द एक्सॉन?
Potassium and protein.
Yes. Simple way to remember. Axon means P square. So obviously it is more permeable to proteins and potassium, but it will be less permeable to which ions?
Sodium ions.
Sodium ion.
Okay. Let's talk about इस axon membrane के बाहर वाला जो fluid है बेटा. इस fluid से P square तो अंदर चला गया. Most of the proteins have gone, most of the potassium ions have gone. So P square का concentration outer liquid में कम होगा, ज्यादा होगा?
मन कम होगा.
कम होगा. And what about sodium ions का concentration बाहर वाले liquid में जो axon के बाहर है? Sodium ions?
It will be more
Yes,
concentrated.
it will. Very good. It will be more. So is there a concentration gradient maintained now? Outside
Yes,
and
ma'am.
inside the axon?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, I told you in the beginning only this is a little complicated topic. You revise with me here only. I'm talking about a neuron in resting phase. I've taken up the axon part of a neuron. The membrane of the axon is called?
Axonal membrane.
Axonal membrane.
Yes. AXONAL, axonal membrane. And inside we have a fluid, ये yellow के अंदर. What is this fluid called?
Exoplasm.
Yes. Inside the exoplasm, we have P square. When I say axon के अंदर P square होता है, what do I mean? Which two things are there?
Potassium ions and negatively charged proteins.
Yes. And what is not easily permeable? What is not easily allowed inside the axon?
Sodium ions.
Sodium ions. We have a fluid outside also, outside this axon. इसमें से maximum P square तो अंदर चला गया. That means potassium ions and proteins have gone in. So the concentration of P square is higher or lower here?
Lower.
Lower. And what concentration is higher?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ion.
So concentration gradient बनाएगी. Understood how concentration gradient is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this gradient is always maintained by active transport of ions. We have a sodium potassium pump. Let me show you back to the screen now. And ये gradient हमेशा बना के रखना है. So because of that gradient, there is a pump which works over here. Can you see the pump? It is written sodium potassium pump over here. Can you see on the screen, beta? ये
Yes, ma'am.
pump क्या करता है? Listen. This transports 3 sodium ions outwards. How many potassium ions entering the cell? 2 potassium ions. तो हर बार जब 2 potassium ions अंदर जाएंगे, how many sodium ions will go out? 3 sodium ions. How many sodium ions?
3 sodium ions.
So बेटा obviously आप देख रहे हो concentration. Yes बेटा, concentration gradient हमेशा maintained रहेगा क्योंकि जो अंदर जा रहा है और जो बाहर आ रहा है उसका नंबर सेम नहीं है. How is the sodium potassium pump going to help out in maintaining the gradient? It will transport two potassium ions into the cell. अंदर तो जाएंगे, अंदर मैंने बोला p square जाता है यानी पोटेशियम जाएगा, और बाहर क्या निकलेंगे? सोडियम आइंस. So how many p's will go inside? Sorry, how many potassiums? I mean K मतलब potassium. How many potassiums will go inside because of this pump? एक system constant fixed रहता है. Very good, 2. And as soon as 2 enter, how many sodium ions will be sent out?
3.
3.
3. So potassium ions अंदर जा रहे हैं, 2 positive अंदर जा रहा है, and sodium ions are coming out. So how many positives are coming out? Beta, sodium
3.
ions are coming out. Na,
3.
sodium ions are positive, so 3 positives are coming out. Parishan mat ho. I'll explain it 10 times if you want. So this concentration gradient is maintained in such a way because of this pump over here. Pump is doing what? It is sending 2 potassium ions inside. As soon as 2 potassium ions go inside, how many sodium ions will come on outside?
3.
3. बेटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज बाहर ज्यादा होगा कि अंदर ज्यादा होगा? दोनों आयंस पॉजिटिव हैं, सोडियम आल्सो पोटेशियम आल्सो.
Outside.
Outside. Very good, because sodium ions were how many in number?
3.
3. And अंदर एक और चीज भी जा रही थी. What was that? Apart from this potassium ions, one more thing was entering. What was it? P square, potassium plus. Tell me, what was it? Proteins. Very good. And proteins have what charge?
Negative.
Negative charge.
So if you see बाहर तो positive charge maintain होता चला जा रहा है, and अंदर because of proteins, membrane के पास we have which charge?
Negative charge.
Let me explain this to you. How do we maintain the resting membrane potential? पहले तो create हो गया. How are we going to maintain this? Concentration of potassium and negatively charged proteins is high. ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. So gradient तो बन गया. How is the gradient going to be maintained? Please look here. This is inside and this is outside. Okay, look here children very carefully. This is inside the axon and this is outside the axon. This is maintained by a gradient. Children, sorry, I was just posting the link for the next class. I forgot only that I have a class also. Next class. Chalo beta. Let me explain it to you what I was explaining. बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं होना है, बिल्कुल नहीं परेशान होना. I'll explain it to you 10 times if you want. There's a pump, sodium potassium pumps. How many potassium ions will enter?
2.
2. And how many ions will go out? Sodium ions?
3.
3. तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज बाहर ज्यादा होगा ना बेटा. ये देखिए, इधर से भी सोडियम आयंस आर गोइंग आउटसाइड, इधर से भी सोडियम आयंस आर गोइंग आउटसाइड. सो पॉजिटिव चार्ज इनसाइड. एंड मेम्ब्रेन के इस तरफ, अंदर की तरफ एक्सॉन में वी हैव अ नेगेटिव चार्ज बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट?
Negatively charged protein.
Good. So this membrane is outside positive, inside negative. We say that it is in a polarized state. What is the state called as?
Polarized state.
Polarized state.
Yes. So this potential difference which is maintained in the membrane at when the neuron is resting is called resting potential. This potential is what we call as which potential?
Resting potential.
Potential. Okay. Tell me now. I'll hide everything and I'll go back to an axon and I'll start asking you. We are talking about a neuron in excited stage or in a resting phase? फर्स्ट स्टेज बेटा कौन सी है, रेस्टिंग या एक्टिव? Axon is in which stage when I explained it to you? Was it in resting phase or was the action
Resting.
potential? Resting phase. Please speak, बच्चे. Whenever we are going to talk about resting, we will only think about this part of the neuron, this part. बस जो भी कुछ होगा resting phase में वो यहीं पे होगा axon में बस. So let's talk about axon. Axon का membrane is known as?
Axonal membrane.
Axonal membrane.
Yes. The liquid inside the axon is known as?
Exoplasm.
Exoplasm.
Okay. This membrane of axon is permeable to which two things it will allow inside?
Potassium and negatively charged protein.
Very good. And what it will not allow?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ion.
So high concentration of potassium ions inside the axon or outside? Potassium. बताओ बेटा, potassium ions higher कहाँ पे होंगे, inside or outside?
Inside.
Inside.
Inside, because they are being allowed to enter. Similarly, sodium ions concentration will be higher where?
Outside.
Outside.
Just to ensure कि ये condition बनी रहे, that we have more potassium inside and more of sodium outside, we have a pump which is known as sodium potassium pump. Sodium potassium pump will push inside how many potassium ions at a time?
2.
2. And how many sodium ions will go out at a time?
3.
So very good. 2 potassium will enter, 3 sodium will enter. So more of positive charge outside or inside?
Outside.
Outside. And why do we have a negative charge here inside? Because of the presence of?
Protein.
Yes,
Proteins.
because of the presence of proteins. Very good. So there is a difference of a charge over here. In such a condition, we say that this membrane has become polarized. This membrane has become what?
Polarized.
Okay, beta. Poles ban gaye, no, positive and negative jab ban jata, we say it's in a polarized condition. And this potential which will be developed at resting phase is called resting potential. What is this potential called?
Resting potential.
Potential.
Okay. So we started this, we said conduction of nerve impulse. The first step is maintenance of resting membrane potential. We are maintaining the resting membrane potential by difference in which two ions? Sodium and?
Potassium.
How many
Potassium.
potassium? Very good. How many potassium ions inside?
2.
2.
2.
And how many sodium ions will be pushed out?
3.
3.
So more of positive charge outside or inside?
Outside.
Outside. And why do we have a negative charge over here? Because of the presence of what?
Protein.
Proteins.
Okay. So when we say this condition comes outside positive, inside negative, we say that the membrane has become
Polarized.
polarized. And this potential is called resting potential because your neuron was in what condition?
Resting.
Resting.
Rest.
Very good. Now we move on to the second step of impulse, that is action potential. Now your neuron has come in action now. अभी तक वो resting पे था. Action potential कैसे generate होगा? Any stimulus is applied. Supposing you've touched a hot plate or you've put your foot on a thorn, कहीं पे कुछ भी, you know, anything very cold, hot, bright light, कुछ भी stimulus आया. The membrane at site A becomes permeable to sodium ions. Okay, we are going to understand this. Now your neuron is going to come in what condition?
Action.
Yes. Now, we said in normal cases, it is permeable to potassium or sodium?
Potassium.
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 वेरी गुड. हम लोग नॉर्मली जल्दी अपनी सिलेक्शन से फ्रेंड्स बनाते हैं, लेकिन जब मजबूरी होती है तो किसी को भी फ्रेंड बना के काम चलाते हैं, नहीं चलाते हैं? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
When you don't have a pen and somebody has whom you don't even like, you say, "Arey, please give it to me. You are my friend." So here, resting में उसको कोई टेंशन नहीं था न्यूरॉन को, उसको जो लेना था, it was taking in which ions, potassium or sodium, and tell me.
Potassium ion.
And sodium ions को पसंद नहीं करता, it was throwing sodium ions out. Now there is a problem, some stimulus system. Now at one particular site, it will become permeable even to sodium ions. Normally it was not permeable to sodium ions, but when action potential is generated, then एक point पे यहाँ पे it will become permeable to which ions?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ions. अब sodium ions को तो मौका मिल गया, रैपिड इन्फ्लक्स होगा बेटा, बहुत जल्दी से बहुत सारे सोडियम आयंस अंदर घुसेंगे. जिस चीज के लिए मना किया जाता है, अगर उस चीज को करने का मौका मिलता है तो आपको लगता है मैं बहुत सारा कर दूं. Supposing the doctor has suggested you not to eat ice creams, and if you get an opportunity to eat, you would love to eat many of them. Similarly, these sodium ions are normally not allowed to enter, but here entry दे दिया है neuron ने when an action potential is generated. Look at this word rapid influx. Rapid means quickly, influx means inside. बहुत सारी sodium ions अंदर चले जाएंगे जैसे ही डोर खुलेगा. Now the reversal of polarity will take place. Reversal of polarity will take place. Outer negative because अंदर बहुत सारे positive ions आ गए. Which ions have entered बेटा?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ion.
अंदर जितने प्रोटीन्स थे, those which had negative charge, उससे भी ज्यादा प्रोटीन्स आ गए. I mean sodium ions आ गए. So negative से ज्यादा क्या हो गया अंदर?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. And बाहर जो positive ions थे वो तो अंदर आ गए. सिर्फ प्रोटीन्स जो थोड़े बहुत बचे हैं. So अब आपकी polarity change हो रही है. Outer is becoming negative and inner is becoming positive. This is called depolarization. Earlier हमारी membrane polarized हो चुकी थी, if you remember. This condition we said the membrane is, what is the membrane become?
Polarized.
Polarized. This is the polarized condition. बाहर positive, अंदर negative. When this is going to change, we say depolarization has taken place. What has taken place is?
Depolarization.
Very good. And the potential which is developed is called as action potential. पहले वाला potential was called as
Resting potential.
Resting
Resting.
potential.
and this potential is known as,
Action potential.
when your neuron is in a resting phase, the potential is resting potential. When the neuron is in active state, it is action potential. चलिए समझते हैं action potential में फिर से क्या हुआ. A stimulus comes. When a stimulus comes, this membrane opens up and it allows which ions to enter?
Sodium ion.
Sodium.
Yes, beta, sodium ions. And always remember this word of sodium ions. What is the word I've written?
Rapid influx.
Yes,
Rapid
very
influx.
quickly. देखो बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव आयंस अंदर आ गए हैं, ये वाले बहुत सारे. यहाँ से एंट्री हुई. सपोजिंग दिस इज द पैसेज, यहाँ से खोल दिया हमने. नॉर्मली तो यही था नेगेटिव्स, बट यहाँ पे पैसेज खुलते यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव. सो दिस स्टेट इज नोन एज, उल्टा हो रहा है बेटा, जो पहले था साइन चेंज हो रहा है. सो दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज depolarization and this potential is known as
Action potential.
action potential. Let me go back to the 3 steps. Maintenance of resting membrane potential. When I say resting membrane potential, my neuron was in a resting stage and sodium ions were not allowed inside, potassium and proteins were allowed. So बाहर कौन सा साइन था बेटा, पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव resting में?
Positive.
And inside?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. And we said our membrane is polarized. Action potential में जैसे impulse आया, which ions were allowed inside?
Sodium ion.
Sodium.
So charge is going to change. What charge inside?
Positive.
Positive.
And what charge outside?
Negative.
Yes, first step was polarization. The second step is? See on the screens, what is the step? First is polarization, this is depolarization. ठीक है बेटा, first step is polarization, second is depolarization. First was resting potential, what is the second one?
Action potential.
Action potential. So did you understand the first two stages? It is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
complicating process. I already told you in the beginning, but if you'll be regular, we'll revise it many times. So आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Today we just have 2 minutes left, so I'm not taking up the next 2 steps. I'll be revising these steps only. We are talking about the 3 steps of nerve impulse conduction. The first is maintenance of which potential?
Resting potential.
Chali, let me revise the resting potential with you. Okay. Resting potential means is the membrane in resting phase or it is in excited phase?
Resting phase.
Resting.
Which two things are allowed to enter?
Potassium ion.
Potassium and
Protein.
protein.
Very good. And what is not allowed to enter?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ion.
Okay. This difference in concentration will also be maintained by a pump which is known as?
Sodium potassium pump.
Okay. This pump will allow how many potassium ions inside?
2,
2. And how many sodium ions outside?
3.
3.
So this ensures कि concentration difference हमेशा बना रहेगा बेटा. Under only 2 are going and outside 3 are coming. So because of this, you have a difference in the charges. Outside which charge?
Positive.
Positive.
Because of sodium ions, no? They're not allowed to enter. And inside we have which charge?
Negative.
Negative.
And this condition is known as polarized or depolarized?
Polarized. Polarized.
Polarized. And this potential is known as?
Resting potential.
Resting potential.
Very good. Let's move on to the second stage now. Stimulus is applied. So one opening comes over here. And what is allowed inside?
Sodium ion.
Sodium ions. Now we'll have a difference in the charges. What inside? Excess.
Positive.
Positive.
And what outside? Positive or negative?
Negative. Negative.
Earlier we said it is polarized. What is it now?
Depolarized.
Depolarized.
Very good. Depolarized. And that potential was resting potential. What is this called as?
Action potential.
Action.
Very